Today we are going to make cream cheese icing! In just minutes you'll learn how to make this cream cheese icing for cupcakes, muffins, cakes, cinnamon buns, and donuts. It's one of my favorite icing recipes. I'm Chef Caleb, and if you're new here, welcome. Let's get started. First off, we will need a quarter cup of vegan butter and half a cup of vegan cream cheese. Pour that into the bowl. 2 tablespoons of milk. You can use any non-dairy milk. Then we're going to add in 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla powder and 2 cups of icing sugar. Pour that into the bowl, and then we're going to mix.
When we first made the icing, it was too runny because we were using yogurt. It also had a slightly sour taste, not because of the yogurt, but because we added some lemon to the icing. After a trip to town, we picked up 2 packets of vegan cream cheese. A few days later at home, we gave the recipe a test. Instead of using yogurt, we used cream cheese, which will make it thicker and creamier once we made the batch. It came out perfect. Now you're watching the perfect cream cheese icing. We are pretty satisfied with the revised recipe.
If you enjoy cupcakes, cinnamon buns, or donuts, hitting that like button would be very sweet to the channel. Let's continue on. Take our spatula and just mix it up. Scrape down the sides to get all the excess icing sugar off. We are finished! That's simple! Now you transfer this icing that we have in here into a bowl, and then you can save it for your cakes, muffins, desserts. This recipe is so easy to make. But what are you gonna spread it on? Which is why you should watch this video right over here where you can learn how to make banana bread. Putting this icing on the banana bread will make it 10 times more delicious than ever before. Bye! First off, what am I saying?